All right, welcome back from your skip counting worksheet. Now we're going to move on to the final part here. And our final part is just being able to add up different sums of money. Again, for some of you, you're going to find this very simple. For others, when you haven't dealt with money quite a bit, it's a bit of a challenge to start. So what I have here, I'm going to pull down some money values down below. I'll just talk about some of the strategies that we may use here. So I'll pull a couple of these down. And this is part of a note where you're not probably going to copy it out because I'm kind of making stuff with the pictures to do that. So there we go. So in my counting, what I would do for this sum of money is I do my paper money first. So I know that I've got the 20 and 20. So I know that's 40. Get another 5. It's 45. Plus, next I'm going to do my loonies and toonies. So I've got $1, $2, and 2 more gives me $4. And now this is where that skip counting comes in. So we're going to start at 25, and I have a 5, a 10, and a 10. So 25 and 5 is 30. And then we skip count by 10s, 40, 50. So 50 cents. So plus 50 cents. So in the end, we have $45 in paper money plus $4 in coins. So that brings us to $49. And then we have 50 cents left over. So $49.50. All right. So I'm just going to do a couple of examples with this just to give you a feel for it. And like I said, if you've worked with money before, this is not nothing too challenging. But like I said, a lot of us haven't had an opportunity to work with money in accounting form. So this is something possibly new. So again, start with your paper bills. So we got 50 and 10 is 60, 65, 70. So using your skip counting, I have $70 in cash. Next, I only have one toonie, so that means I have an additional $2. And now we need to skip count by 25s here because those are our quarters, and then end off with a 5. So doing my skip counting, 25, 50, 75, and then add 5 more, and we have 80 cents, which means that we have a total here of $72.80, and that's what it would look like. All right, flipping over. Do 2 more quick examples here, again, just to give you a feel for what to expect or what to deal with. Sometimes they're out of order. Let's go toonie, loony, quarter. I'll get a couple dimes in here, and a couple nickels. All right, so again, deal with your paper money. Line across there. So I've got a 20, I got a 30, I got 35. Now for my $1 and $2 coins, toonie and a loony, it would give me $3. Now here, I have a 25-cent, a couple 10s, and a couple 5s. So it's what you're more comfortable with when you're doing it, but it is our skip counting. So for example, 25, we go up by 10s, so 25, 35, 45. Go up by 5 is 50, another 5 is 55 cents. Which brings our grand total to 35 and 3, that's $38.55. Okay, so there's a couple of examples for you. I'm not going to do a fourth one because I think you get the general idea. You really just need to practice this. So this is the end of the first lesson in the unit. So you're going to go ahead, do your worksheet, get it checked by the teacher, and then you're on to the next stage. So good luck.